Hey everybody, it's Tommy Anderson from Coyote Mountain Film Productions, and you've probably already seen our video that we did with Eric from celebrating vintage model kits of our build challenge. We were both building the Aurora Curtiss SBC-3 Helldiver, the pre-war Navy dive bomber. And I post a link below to our build, and then also to the one that Eric did on his build. And I want to show you building mine. And I'm very happy with the way mine turned out. I didn't do the regular paint scheme. I did mine as one of the Marine Corps Squadrons 2 in 1943, that was at North Island on Coronado at the Naval Air Station. And they had 2 of them there that they used for training Marine Corps Reserve aviators. And I did it because the decals were rotten for my kit. Eric was able to restore his, so I created them for this model. And so as long as I was redoing that, I would do it in this different post Pearl Harbor gray naval color that they started out with. So enjoy my build. Like, share, and subscribe to our videos, also to Eric's. And everybody, let's keep creating history. Enjoy. Well, I'm going to start working on my SBC-3 Helldiver challenge, the Aurora kit with Eric. This is the original one I have. This box is kind of a little beat up, but ooh, look at how antique looking those instructions are. Oh wow. Yeah, those are no good. I'm going to have to see about doing something. I have a different idea for making it anyhow. Okay. The end of the box. Okay. Oh, that looks really good. I think I'm going to do it actually in United States Marine Corps livery from 1942. They were, believe it or not, still in frontline service with some units in the Pacific until they could be replaced by more modern aircraft. It's a case of the Marines dealing with what they had, or using what they had. I'm going to have to sand off these raised decals off. I'm going to put on new different Marine Corps ones. Alright, well, this is day 1. I'm going through the parts. I'm going to inventory them, and then I'll start assembly. And I'll do little posts along the way. Have a good one. Bye. Well, I'm done. I'm pretty pleased with, what it turned out with this old kit. But here's my Aurora SBC-3 Helldiver in U.S. Marine Corps 1942 livery from MF2, United States Marine Corps at North Island, Coronado, and San Diego. One of two that was there for training Marine Corps Reserve pilots for combat in World War II. So I was really happy with how it turned out. My pilots, like I said, it's one of the best pilot jobs I think I've ever done. Creating my own decals because I had none for it, and I thought I'd do something different than the standard ones that came with it. You can see, some of the imprint there from where these old kits used to have placement markers for decals. And I could have sanded it all down, but I was afraid I was going to ruin some of the detail in the plane. So I figured, well, I'm just going to try it and just do it with this way. But I'm really happy with how it turned out. I mean, it's just like a nice addition to my collection, and nice fun challenge build with Eric from Vintage Model Kits, celebrating vintage model kits, his YouTube channel. He's a friend of my channel, and I'm a friend of his channel, and we're both personal friends. So, but I'm really happy with this. And I had a bomb drop off. Well, that's life when you're handling a model, but that's an easy fix. So, thank you everybody, and catch me on the next build with Tommy Anderson.